Hello, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make chicken pie with mushrooms and carrots. Here we go. We're gonna need carrots, potatoes, mushrooms, 1 sliced onion, 350 grams of diced chicken breast, panko breadcrumbs, creme fraiche, water, chicken stock, yay! 3 grated garlic cloves. We're going to put some water to boil for the potatoes. In the meantime, we're going to peel the potato skins off. Okay, we're also going to slice the potatoes about 2 centimeters thick. Now we're going to trim the carrots and we're going to chop them in half and then chop it in half again, so it will be quarters. Now we're going to slice the carrots about 1 centimeter thick. We're also going to slice the mushrooms. When the water is boiling, we're going to place the potatoes into the pan. And we're going to add a pinch of salt. Now we're going to heat a drizzle of oil in the frying pan. And we're going to add the chicken. We're also going to season the chicken with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now we're going to cook the chicken until it's browned. When the chicken is nice and golden like that, we're going to place it in a bowl and we're going to put it to one side. Then we're going to add another drizzle of olive oil. Now we're going to add the onions. We're also going to add the carrots. We're going to cook them on medium heat, stirring until they slightly softened. Then we're going to add the mushrooms. And another drizzle of olive oil. Now we're going to add the garlic, which is stir and cook for another minute. When the mushroom is browned, we're going to add the chicken stock. And we're also going to add the water. Then we're going to dissolve the chicken stock. And we're going to add the crème fraîche. Now we're going to stir everything together. Now you let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to return the chicken to the frying pan. Now we're going to let it simmer on medium to low heat until the sauce has thickened. Now you're going to click like and subscribe. I'm not about to murder a potato. I'm only testing if it's cooked. Now we're going to transfer the chicken mixture to an oven-proof dish. And we're going to cover everything with the potato slices. And we're going to sprinkle with panko breadcrumbs. Ah, that's nice. And we're also going to add more black pepper. And olive oil. Now we're going to bake this on the top shelf of your oven until it's golden brown, about 10 to 12 minutes. That's it. I hope you liked this recipe. I promise you it was really delicious. If you like this type of content, I would like to invite you to click like and subscribe. Also remember to hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye bye.